Meaning of industrious.
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 Industrious. The word industrious refers to someone who is hardworking, diligent, and industrious. An industrious person is known for their commitment to achieving their goals and their willingness to put in the necessary effort to succeed. People who are industrious are often seen as reliable, responsible, and trustworthy members of society. They are focused on their work and take pride in their accomplishments. Their dedication and perseverance can lead to great success personally and professionally. In short, being industrious means consistently working hard and striving for excellence in everything you do.